As a new YouTuber who just created this channel, I have to constantly try to figure out how to combine my talking head video and the screen recording and make sure that they synchronize and I can edit in sync. And I asked ChatGPT how I can achieve this efficiently, and ChatGPT recommended to me a very long list of different softwares, and they all cause a different amount of bugs. And it's just unbelievable to me that there is not a single software that can achieve this need. So I decided to use Claude Code to develop my own personal software that does this. So let me show you my process. So this is my Claude Code. I'm using the desktop version. And for convenience, I already wrote the prompts, and let's get it to work, and we'll go to the details here. Basically, we're going to make an Electron app. So Electron app is a JavaScript framework that can build desktop app, and it has certain functionalities like selecting directory and then preview the videos, and we can select the input sources for the screen recording, for the talking head, and for the microphone. And then we can start recording and stop recording, and we want to show how much time we spend on this recording, and there should be a monitor for the mic input volume. And there's some definition about the output formats. And also we want to edit these two files in a synchronized way, right? So we add a tab, and that would be the edit mode. And users can select those two files and play back together. And there should be a timeline that there's a playhead user can drag around to play from a different time, and they can split at any time. And then once you split two times, you form a segment, and you can delete the unwanted segments. And here is some magic that I always use when I work with Claude Code, is that when we use Claude Code in the plan mode here, I don't want to see the source code. That is actually the default behavior. Let's just assume that I don't understand anything about the source code. I just want to make sure that Claude Code actually understand my requirement. So I asked Claude Code to show me the UI layout rendered as a markdown file. And then I want a natural language description of each UI element. And then for testing, I'll just show me the commands, and I'll open a terminal and test myself. Let's give it a second to finish. Okay, so here are some questions. Let's just select them. So here is the plan, and I don't want to look into the tag choices or file layouts. All I care about is firstly, this is the UI layout. Okay, so it has two tabs, and for the record tab, we have the screen preview, we have the webcam preview, we have input sources, we have the record button, we have the mic level. Okay, great. And then we have the edit tab. It asks me to select two files here, and then we have the screen playback, webcam playback, play button. We have the segment strip, and then timeline. Okay, and then we should have an export button. And that's all we need to know, I think. Let's just give it a try to see what Claude Code will implement. So Electron app has a front end, and it's rendered as an HTML file, but it's not super useful, so we should just close it. Okay, looks like it's complete. Let's take a look at the final product. Okay, I think it actually looks pretty good, and it has all the functionalities that I need. So for this video, I'm not going to test any one of it. The key takeaway of this video is that instead of combining an array of different softwares for their individual functionalities, it may be even cheaper to build a software from scratch with the help of an AI agent. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.